Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Rubal Solutions. This is the chapter 9 of class 7. I hope you are liking this series and you can find all the chapters in the playlist section. We have playlists for class 2 students, class 3 students, class 4 students, class 5, 6, 7. And this is Class 7 Chapter 9 Internet Services. Let's get started and learn what we will learn from this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about the social networking sites, internet form, OneDrive, microblogging in Twitter, cloud computing, e-greetings and email services. Millions and millions of computers with internet access communicate with each other 24/7. This shows the amount of activity happening on the internet which act as global network platform. The services available on net are colossal. Some of basic and important services of internet are email, online chat, video conferencing, file transfer, internet forum, cloud computing, OneDrive and so on. Now comes with social networking sites. Social networking is a group of individuals who share their thoughts, ideas, activities, events, interests, Photoshop, messages and videos over the internet. The social networking website functions like an online community or internet users. Social networking websites allows user to create a profile which contains information about them. A user can also invite other people to join their websites no matter what their hobbies, beliefs or interests are. Some of the popular social networking sites are Facebook, LinkedIn and HI and HI5, Hi5 and many more. Let us know more. The posts in microblogging sites are known as micropost. Now what are microblogging and Twitter? Microblogging is a new form of communication in which users can share their thoughts via short posts, instant messages, images, audio video links, email, etc. Some of the most notable services are Twitter, Tumblr, Jaiku, etc. I am not explaining it in Hindi because this chapter is very general, but this is class 7 chapter 9, so I am explaining this. Okay? So मैं हिंदी में नहीं बता रही हूँ, just मेरी आवाज को सुनो और चैप्टर रीड करते जाओ, आपको आसानी से समझ आ जाएगा. और अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए. Twitter is an online social networking site www.twitter.com that allows user to send and receive text-based messages known as tweets. A tweet is restricted up to 140 characters. With a Twitter account, you can choose to follow other members and receive their tweets on your page and vice versa. Twitter has gained worldwide popularity and has become the top 10 most visited websites on the internet. It has described as SMS of internet. Now what is internet forum? The term internet forum refers to discussion area in a website where people with common interest can communicate in the form of posted messages. It is a system that allows user to send, read and reply to the messages on the particular subject in a real time. A forum can focus on any topic such as language, technology, sports, music, religion. To become a member of a forum, a user is required to register to a particular website. When the applicant is approved to be a member of forum by the administrator, then one can set his or her username and password and therefore People often confuse a forum as a chat room, but a forum is different from a chat room. In the chat room, people communicate in the real time, whereas in forum, in discussion group, post messages that can be read by other members whenever they log in. Some commonly used forms are PHP, BB, and FUD form. Now comes the cloud computing. Cloud is defined as the set of hardware, network, storage, interface, and services combined together to deliver different aspects of computing as a service over an internet or network. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management, CRM, all run in the cloud. Google Docs, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. are some of the common examples of free or economical online storage for users. Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and assessing the applications online. Moreover, this technology is making our business applications mobile and collaborative. Along with this, copyright violation and privacy have been seen a sharp decline over the past few years, as users, instead of using pirated software, can easily assess the authentic content by paying a fraction of cost. It is 100% secure and confidential to use cloud computing facility. Thus, we can say that cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient and on-demand network access to a shared pool of computing resources that can be released with a minimum efforts or service provider interaction. OneDrive. OneDrive, previously known as SkyDrive or Windows Live Drive, is the free online storage facility offered by Microsoft. In February 2014, it has been officially renamed from SkyDrive to OneDrive. As the name suggests, it is one place where you can store all your photos, videos, documents, and much more, and that too free of cost. It allows users to specify the files they want to keep private. It is password protected storage area in the cloud that allows user to upload and synchronize data to cloud storage and then access it from web browser anytime. Microsoft originally offered 25 GB free storage space to OneDrive users but reduced the amount to 7 GB in the year 2012. From September 2013 onwards, it has included 4 premium storage plans to upgrade the storage space. Now comes the e-greeting. E-greetings is an electronic greeting card that can be sent over the internet to convey your wishes to friends or relatives. There are many sites on the internet which provide the facility of sending free e-cards. Some of the popular e-greeting sites are follows: www.123greetings.com, www.hallmark.com, www.archiesonline.com, and many more. You can give the greetings online to your friends and relatives through greeting sites. Now the email, as we all know, is electronic mail is the process of sending and receiving text-based messages over the internet. You must have an email address in order to access your email. The email address is similar to postal address. An email address identifies a location on internet where an email can be sent. To send an email, enter the email address and the username, and then you can send the mail. Jack Dorsey, founder of Twitter, one of the most popular microblogging network. When you receive an email with an attachment, your inbox summary line indicates a paperclip icon On the right, after opening the message, click on the thumbnail to view the attachment. An email address consists of two parts, that is @ and email address cannot contain spaces, and it should be like in a go, like kips@gmail.com, like rublesolutions@gmail.com, and anything whatever you want. There are many sites on internet which provide free email facility. Some of those popular sites are gmail.com, yahoo.com, rediffmail.com. In the previous class, you have learned how to create an email account, compose and send an email, forward and reply to emails. Let us learn about the maintaining a list of contacts when there are so many addresses. Adding a new contact. Once you start using email service, you may have many contacts, and to remember all the email addresses could be difficult for you. Fortunately, every email address provides an address book wherein you can store email address. Click on the Gmail drop-down arrow at the top level panel and select the contact option. The new tab Google Contact Preview appears along with the screen in the sequence as shown in figure 9.8. Click on the next arrow to move to the next screens. Each screen displays the features of Google Contact at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Get Started button. The Contacts window appears as shown in figure 9.9. In the right panel, the frequently contacted email address are displayed at the bottom and all contacts at the bottom. Click on the Add New Contact icon present at the bottom right corner of the window. A box appears. Enter the name of the new contact and click on the Create button and then save it. This is how you can do the adding a new contact. Similarly, you can edit the details. Similarly, you can delete the contact. You can make the groups on the Gmail and add an email ID about it. You can create groups wherein you can group and store one type of contact. Example, family with email addresses of family members, friends with email addresses of friends, office with email addresses of colleagues. Creating groups of email contact is very easy and interesting. In the left panel, click on the Groups Expand marker to display the additional options. Click on the New Group option. The New Group box appears. Enter the group name in the text box and click on the Create Group button. Now there comes a recap. Facebook and LinkedIn are the most popular social networking websites. Twitter is an online social networking site that allows users to send and receive text messages known as tweets. Forum refers to the discussion area in the website where people can post messages about any topic. Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring, and accessing the applications online. OneDrive is free online storage facility offered by Microsoft. An e-greeting is an electronic greeting card that you can send over internet to convey your wishes to the friends or relatives. Every email program provides an address book wherein you can store the email addresses of your contact. Apart from message, user can also send other types of computer files along with the messages where it is called attachment. I hope this chapter is clear. This is little bit big chapter, but it contains all about the internet for class 7 students. The same topic comes in every chapter, every class, but class 7 have some more and advanced level of study. I hope this is clear. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love. Have a nice day. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.